Welcome to our exploration of mindfulness and creativity. In this video, we'll delve into the fascinating connection between mindfulness and unlocking your creative potential. Mindfulness involves being fully present and engaged in the current moment. Creativity, on the other hand, is the ability to generate new ideas and solutions. Let's uncover how these two intertwine. Mindfulness lays the foundation for creativity by fostering a non-judgmental and open mindset. It cultivates a space for ideas to flourish without the constraints of self-doubt or judgment. Let's dive into mindful practices that stimulate creativity. Find a comfortable space where you can relax and focus. Start with a breath-centric meditation. Close your eyes, focus on your breath, and let thoughts come and go without attachment. Engage in mindful observation. Take a creative object or piece of art. Observe its details mindfully, noticing shapes, colors, and textures. Reflect on your observations. Journal about your thoughts and feelings regarding the object. Let your creativity flow freely without judgment. Let's explore how mindful movement ignites creativity. Find a comfortable spot where you can move freely. Begin with mindful walking. Pay attention to each step, the sensation of your feet connecting with the ground, and the rhythm of your movement. Transition into flowing movements. Engage in fluid movements, allowing your body to express itself creatively. Incorporate creative expression into your movement. Let your body interpret feelings or ideas through dance or gestures. Mindfulness enhances problem-solving abilities. Let's engage in a session focusing on creative problem-solving. Close your eyes and visualize a challenge you're facing. Imagine various solutions without judgment, exploring diverse possibilities. Start a mindful brainstorming session. Write down every idea that comes to mind, without evaluating or criticizing. Embrace the creativity in your ideas. Reflect on the ideas generated. Choose a few that resonate most and devise an action plan for implementation. Integrate these mindfulness practices into your routine. Embrace the creative journey by nurturing a mindful approach to everyday life. As we conclude our exploration of mindfulness and creativity, remember that mindfulness fosters a fertile ground for creativity to blossom. Embrace these practices and nurture your creative spirit. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with those who have anxiety problems. Stay tuned for more enlightening content.